In today's video we are going to talk about fence gates, and also we're gonna learn how to rebuild new fence gate. Hey, this is Marco from Bama Handyman Solutions. Let's jump into it. So first things first, I want to show you the gate I'm currently working on. So we have a gate here in the backyard of the house, and the reason why it needs to be rebuilt is, first of all, it sags on that corner, and then second, that brace here is installed basically not very efficient to pull up or to support the gate. So which means, so if I add here some weight, so it does not help with support. Instead, the brace needs to run from the lower hinge over there all the way across to the upper horizontal support bar. And then we're also gonna replace those hinges because they don't look so well anymore. And that's about it. We're gonna go fast motion, and I hope you will enjoy it. All right, as you can see, we got our gate finished. I also installed an anti-sag kit here. Now it is correctly braced. We got 2 new hinges, and that's how it looks like from the inside. Let's check it out on the outside quickly. Alright, again, battery died, but anyway, this is the gate lock from the outside. I just reused the old hardware, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.